The year was 2019. While everyone was busy loading more and more content onto their platform, the team at PrepLadder was trying to trim it so you could
revise.
And that's when we curated Rapid Revision. With content so precise and high yield that Rapid Revision became synonymous with
revision, and revision. So what we have done over here is,
soon everyone was doing it.
I know people who can do it for 12 hours a day.
And after the 2020 NEET PG results, everyone was talking about it.
So that's where PrepLadder Rapid Revision came in.
In the years since, we added snapshot notes, compressed the QBank, and kept updating the content to keep up with the evolving exam pattern. Well, basically, it was perfection perfected.
PSI, medicine, surgery, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, microbiology और FMT.
सीरियसली यार, अगर रैपिड रिविजन नहीं होता तो मैं जो मेरी रैंक मिली थी 2020 में शायद वो मुझे कभी सपने में भी नहीं मिल पाती.
Fast forward to 2022, everyone is still talking about it, cause Rapid Revision truly is concise, high yield, proven, legendary. We don't say it, everyone does.
Rapid revision.
What next? Well, we continue doing what we do best. That's perfecting perfection. So here's introducing the next chapter. Rapid Revision 4.0. The legacy continues.
So now we'll move to the next topic, which is autonomic nervous system.